Are you a senior citizen looking to avoid TDS deductions on your interest income? Let's dive into how to easily eFile Form 15H on the new income tax portal. First, navigate to the official income tax eFiling portal. Income tax eFiling. You'll need your PIN, Aadhaar, and login credentials. If you don't have an account, registration is a straightforward process. Once logged in, locate the eFile option in the menu, hover over it, and a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, select eForm and then choose File Income Tax Forms. In the new section that appears, you'll find a search bar. Type Form 15H into it. Once declaration in Form 15H appears in the search results, click on it. You'll be presented with information about Form 15H. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, being a resident Indian citizen age 60 or above and having an annual interest income below the taxable threshold. Click Yes to proceed with filing. The system will pre-fill your personal details like PAN, Aadhaar, name, and address using your existing income tax data. Carefully review all this information for accuracy. Ensure your residential status is correctly marked as resident. Now, you need to declare your income, for which TDS is not to be deducted. Under the Details of Income section, you'll enter the details of your interest income. This typically includes the name of the payer, like your bank, their PIN, your account number, and the estimated amount of interest income you expect to receive during the financial year. Next, you'll find a declaration section. Read the declaration carefully and tick the checkbox to confirm. Then, enter the place from where you are filing the form and the current date. Finally, review the entire form one last time. Once satisfied, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message with a reference number. It's a good practice to download and save a copy of the filed Form 15H for your records. And that's it. You've successfully eFiled your Form 15H online, ensuring no TDS is deducted on your interest income for this financial year. Stay tuned for more useful tax filing guides.